Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel someone request on Instagram. If you want to cancel request on Instagram, then keep watching this video until the end. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, tap and hold the App Store, then tap Updates. Now we have to check the list. Is there is any update available for Instagram? Then we have to update Instagram first. Then we have to launch Instagram. Tap on your profile in three line in top right corner. Here we have to tap on settings. Then tap on privacy. Here we have to tap on messages. Under potential connection, tap on your followers on Instagram and select don't receive request. Now no one can send you request and you are not able to receive any request from anyone. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.